Hey, what's up guys, it's Jesse, welcome to Brick Designed, and today we're going back to campus with some college dorm room furniture. We have all the essentials. I'm building a beer pong table right now. I'll build a mini fridge with a little microwave, and then of course a dorm room bed with storage and a desk to go with it. These are fun and easy builds and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, hit that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't already, drop a comment down below to say hi or let me know what you'd like to see me build. And some exciting news for the first time at the time of this video, I am including a parts list for each of the builds within this video. Moving forward, I do want to include a parts list. I know you guys have been asking for it, and I'll go back as well and add parts list for previous videos. The link is in the description. I'll also include any links to custom prints that I use in videos. They'll always be in the description. And again, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well, at Brick Designed.